In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update My Airtel app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, if you want to update your Airtel, you need to access it through Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go straight to Play Store. To do this, go ahead and tap on Play Store, and from here, go ahead and look for your app, and here is my app. Go ahead and tap on it to open, and then from here look for any option. If it is available to update, you will see it written here, update. Once you see update here, it means you have been using an outdated version of the app. Now, by updating your app to the latest version, this will fix a lot of bugs and also security issues related to your Airtel app. So go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and update your app to the latest version. As you can see, mine is written here open. It means I already have an up-to-date app, and therefore I can only proceed and open it. So that's how you can update My Airtel app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.